Good morning. It's a windy one here at Kitts Beach. I'm going to do a little bit of beach detecting in the nice cool weather before it heats up again. Got a little bit of rain the other day, so the sand is a bit damp, which isn't too bad actually. It's not as dusty. I'm going to start here at this pile where they've concentrated all of the surface and work our way down. Try and stay out of everybody's way. Alright, let's get scooping. Nice solid 10 here. Sorry about the wind, it's going to be like that all day. Hopefully my little foam sock thing here helps. I'm trying out the 50 tones on the Equinox. I usually stick to 5, but the 50 helped me find that platinum ring last week, so if it's not too frustrating, I might just keep using that. I think it might have just been that inner part of a pull tab top. Yeah, maybe that was it. I don't know what's going on. This area is going to be rough. I hear some jingling. Ow. It's a rivet. Oh, whoa. It's a heavy piece of pipe there. I guess that's what that is. Got a vape. Oh, nice 17 right here. Another rivet. Sometimes you feel like a nut, sometimes you don't. Huh. Chasing this penny all over the place for some reason. Got an older ring pull. Means we're into some older sand, hopefully. Got a 1989 nickel. Screaming 22. Probably too good to be true. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. Yeah, just a penny. 71. Another penny. Ooh, a really green penny. Another penny. A surface find. Neat. Something glint. And then I covered it, but it's not picking up. And it looks like something good. Huh. Looks like I got my first really good thing. I'm not sure why that definitely looks like Bling. Maybe. I don't see any marks on it. How did that not ring up as anything? Oh, that's why. I had my ones off because of all the foil. Straight one. Interesting. So I should turn my ones back on. Well, stop dropping it, Joe. We got some shiny. I don't think that's gold. Not with that clasp, maybe. It is pretty heavy at a 1. I would think there'd be some marks on it, though. Well. Something interesting right here. A little junky, though. Bottle cap. Something that sounds good right here. All pennies today. Finally have a Toonie. Oh, wow. Big hunk of lead. Got a dime. All right. House key. Pretty much surface find of an old house key. penny. Got an American nickel. So, not a whole lot today. Lots of pennies. Toonie, which is great. Some regular clad, a couple house keys, and these are all surface finds. So we got a fancy solid graphite pencil. This neat little necklace with a polished stone pendant, not sure what stone that is. Little bead, and this earring. I mean, I don't think it's gold. Pretty sure it's colored stainless or something. Rang up as a solid 1. I missed it because I had my 1s off just because there's so much foil. Well, thanks everyone for watching. Sorry this one wasn't more exciting, but they can't all be winners. It's pretty good though. This is Scoopy Joe, out.